Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring the 8-port HDMI rack mount KVM console, a versatile and efficient tool engineered for modern data centers and IT infrastructure management. This console integrates an 18.5-inch widescreen LCD monitor, built-in keyboard, touchpad, and an 8-port HDMI KVM switch, all into a compact 1U design, making it an ideal solution for professionals who are looking to maximize rack space while enjoying full functionality. The first standout feature is the crystal-clear 18.5-inch FHD TFT LCD display, offering a resolution of 1920 and 1080 at 60 Hz with 16.7 million colors. The impressive contrast ratio of 1001 combined with a brightness of 250 City Ford ensures that your display is vivid and easy to read, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're monitoring servers or managing complex systems, the quality of the display significantly enhances your operational efficiency. In terms of switching methods, the console excels by providing 3 distinct ways to toggle between connected computers. Users can switch via the front panel LED buttons, keyboard hotkey combinations, or through an intuitive on-screen display menu. This flexibility in control mechanisms means that you can quickly shift between systems without interrupting workflow, making it highly practical in real-life scenarios where time is critical. When it comes to performance, the device has been praised for its reliability and ease of use. The console supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Sun, Unix, and Linux, which makes it a versatile tool for a variety of IT environments. In many user reviews, the consistency in performance has been highlighted, with seamless transitions between systems and minimal lag. On the flip side, while the device offers robust features, potential users should consider the physical mount depth requirements carefully. The adjustable mount depth, ranging from 27 to 30.3 inches, underscores the importance of verifying your rack cabinet's internal measurements before purchase. This area might be viewed as a drawback if your setup does not meet these specific dimensions. Comparatively, while there are other rack-mount KVM solutions on the market, this console stands out due to its combination of high-definition display and multiple switching options, all encapsulated within a compact 1U design. It is particularly appealing to businesses that require efficient server management and space optimization. For best performance, ensure that you accurately measure your rack's internal depth and take advantage of the multiple switching methods to streamline your operational workflow. Additionally, regular firmware updates and proper maintenance can help you get the most out of your device. In summary, the 8-port HDMI rack-mount KVM console is an excellent option for IT professionals and data centers looking for a reliable, multifunctional, and space-saving solution. It is recommended for anyone in need of a high-performance KVM switch that does not compromise on visual clarity or user convenience. Thank you for listening.